Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. An insider has revealed the color scheme of Samsung's new upcoming Galaxy S26 Ultra. The publication refuted earlier reports about orange being included in the model's primary color palette. New leak reveals final Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra colors, but the smaller Galaxy S26 is a disappointment. Let's dive into the full video. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. New details about Samsung's next flagship smartphones have emerged as a result of numerous leaks. After the final colors of the Galaxy S26 Ultra were finally revealed, other leaks revealed additional information about the cheaper Galaxy S26 and Galaxy S26 Plus. Well-known tipster Ice Universe posted photos of SIM card trays for the flagship Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra smartphone on the social network X. The images show 4 color options for the upcoming device: black, white, blue, and purple. The publication refuted earlier reports about orange being included in the model's primary color palette. According to SamMobile, the South Korean manufacturer plans to release a limited edition orange version of the smartphone exclusively for sale through the company's official online store. Meanwhile, the final color options for the Galaxy S26 Ultra were revealed in another leak. Samsung is expected to sell its next Ultra flagship in black shadow, white shadow, galactic blue, and ultraviolet finishes. The image of the SIM card slots below highlights that these colors are on the way, though perhaps not as intense as Samsung's names suggest. According to previously released specifications, the top-end S26 Ultra model will feature 16 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage. The main camera module will retain its 200-megapixel sensor, but the lens aperture will increase from f1.7 to f1.4, allowing for better low-light photography. A similar improvement will be seen with the 50-megapixel telephoto lens, whose aperture will widen from f3.4 to f2.9. The new Galaxy S26 Ultra camera will focus on realistic image rendering, avoiding excessive contrast and color saturation. The device will be equipped with a 5000 mAh battery, with support for 60 watts of wired charging. The Galaxy S26 series is scheduled to be unveiled at the Samsung Unpacked event on February 25, 2026. Retail sales are scheduled to begin on March 11th. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.